Welcome to this tutorial on how to create a new Amazon Web Services (AWS) account. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of creating a free AWS account, so you can start using the wide range of services that AWS offers. When you sign up for an AWS account, you have the option to sign up for a free trial. The free trial gives you access to all of the AWS services for a certain period of time, usually for 12 months. During this period, you can use the services without incurring any charges, with some limitations. The free trial includes a free tier of services, which provides a limited amount of free usage of certain services each month. This free tier can be used for an entire year and can be a good way to get started with AWS and try out different services. Once the free trial or free tier ends, you'll be charged for any usage above the free tier limits. It's important to note that, during the free trial, you'll be required to provide a valid credit card, as this is used to verify your identity and also to pay for any usage beyond the free tier limits. However, you can set up alerts and budgets to monitor your usage and avoid any unexpected charges. It's also worth mentioning that, once the free trial period is over, it is not possible to sign up for the free trial again with the same account. However, you can continue using the services and pay for the usage as per the standard pricing. Overall, the free trial is a great way to get started with AWS and try out different services without incurring any charges. It's a good opportunity to familiarize yourself with the AWS platform and decide which services are best for your needs before committing to a paid plan. Step 1. Go to the AWS website to get started. Go to the AWS website at oz.amazon.com. Step 2. Click on the Create a new AWS account button. Once you're on the AWS homepage, click on the Create a new AWS account button. Step 3. Fill out the registration form. You'll be prompted to fill out a registration form with your personal and contact information. This includes your name, email address, and phone number. Step 3. Fill out the personal information on the registration form. You'll be asked to provide your personal information, such as your name, email address, and phone number. Make sure that the email address you provide is one that you have access to, as you'll need to confirm it later. Step 4. Choose your account type. You'll be prompted to choose the type of account you want to create. When creating an AWS account, you have the option to create either a personal account or a business account. A personal account is intended for individuals who want to use AWS services for personal use or for small-scale projects. With a personal account, you have access to a free tier of services, which includes a limited amount of free usage of certain services. You can also sign up for the free trial, which gives you access to all AWS services for a certain period of time. A business account, on the other hand, is intended for organizations that want to use AWS services for business purposes. With a business account, you can set up multiple users, set up permissions and policies, and set up billing and cost management features. Additionally, you can use consolidated billing to pay for multiple accounts in a single payment, and you can also set up a payment plan for your organization, if needed. This type of account also allows to use more advanced features like AWS organizations and service control policies. Ultimately, the choice between a personal account and a business account will depend on your specific needs and the scale of your projects. It's important to consider your usage and budget when making this decision. Step 5. Provide your company or organization name, if applicable. If you're creating a business account, you'll need to provide the name of your company or organization. Step 6. Provide your address and contact information. Next, you'll need to provide your address and contact information. This includes your street address, city, state, and zip code. You will also be asked to provide your country. Step 7. Create a password. Once you've provided all the necessary information, you'll need to create a password for your AWS account. Make sure to create a strong password and keep it safe, as you'll need it to sign into your account. Step 8. Click on the Create Account and Continue button. After you have filled out the registration form, click on the Create Account and Continue button to proceed to the next step of creating your AWS account. And that's it. You now have an AWS account and can start using the wide range of services that AWS offers. Remember to keep your account information and security credentials safe, as they will be required to access your resources. Thanks for watching.